The 2025 Lincoln Aviator is equipped with a number of features designed to maximize comfort and convenience, including its high-quality materials, cutting-edge infotainment systems, and driver assistance technology. Families will find its roomy cabin and third row of seats accommodating, and its attractive external style further enhances its allure. The Lincoln Aviator, which is arguably the best SUV in terms of luxury and features, is positioned just behind the Navigator in the lineup. The Lincoln Aviator's interior features an opulent aesthetic, a smooth ride, and powerful acceleration. There are 6 or 7 seat options for the Aviator. The center console between these seats can be configured in 2 ways for buyers who select second-row captain's chairs. One of these configurations offers simple access to the third row. The back bench is only good for small children on trips lasting more than a few minutes, but with all the seats upright, this configuration allows for lots of cargo room. The Lincoln provides 18 cubic feet of storage capacity, which is more than the Cadillac XT6 does. The optional perfect position chairs in the front allow for 30-way adjustability. The Lincoln Aviator comes equipped with a 12.3-inch instrument cluster, 10.1-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto features as standard. Lincoln's single-screen configuration and traditional climate controls are simple to understand and operate in contrast to those of other manufacturers that employ rotary controls or several touchscreens. On higher trim levels, the Aviator can be unlocked and launched using the Bluetooth signal of a smartphone in place of a key. There are 28 speakers in the Revel Ultima 3D Premium sound system. The Lincoln Aviator's 400-horsepower twin-turbo V6 engine is one of the most powerful in the midsize luxury SUV class. The updated 3.0-liter V6 pairs with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic gearbox to provide both smooth cruising and powerful acceleration. Riding the Aviator in its standard form is comfortable and enjoyable, and it may be just what modern Lincoln owners have been looking for. Driver satisfaction is poor, although the Aviator feels steady in bends and well protected from road irregularities. The EPA rates the Lincoln Aviator with rear-wheel drive at 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway, while the all-wheel drive variant gets 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. These results show that the Aviator's fuel economy lags behind all-wheel drive competitors such as the BMW X5 xDrive 40i and Volvo XC90 B5. On our 75 miles per hour highway economy test route, the rear-wheel drive Aviator Reserve managed only 22 miles per gallon. The Lincoln Aviator prioritizes safety, with numerous innovative measures designed to keep passengers safe and prevent accidents. Standard safety features include automatic emergency braking, front collision warning, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and rear cross-traffic alert. Furthermore, adaptive cruise control with a stop-and-go function enhances highway safety by keeping a safe distance from other vehicles. The Aviator includes optional safety features such as a surround view camera system, evasive steering help, and a head-up display. These features improve overall road safety by increasing driver awareness and support in a variety of conditions.